welcome to our chicken farm. These are my chickens. Chickens, just little fits. Mum? Well, they adopted it, but yep. So, take you to the ducklings. What's this? Yeah, as you can see there. Scrunched up in there. So unfortunately you can't quite see the wee ones, but they are there. And we have another one. Could you get that one out, Dad?
What about the eggs over here in the chicken house?
Oh yeah, and we got a couple of eggs.
That are just about hatching right now.
3 are in there, and there's a couple in there that might hatch tonight or tomorrow. And we just got them today because we went to Anne's. Got a couple of ducklings and stuff, and here's the hen that is lying on the wee baby duckling. Dad, can you please get it out? No?
They're just hatching now.
Okay.
They're hatching now, so we can't disturb her.
We can't disturb her because one's hatching now. Yep, one hatched. One's hatching now, so we can't disturb her. And those other ones over there we showed, under that chicken that we showed you just then. Those ones are just going to take 3 weeks because we're just walking back to the truck and she just went up on the flex and got some, and they were just going to be like 3 weeks. And they have cleared that. And yeah.